y'all, Victoria here, and today I have my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of May to go ahead and unbox, unbag, never know which one to say. And if you're not familiar with IPSY, it is a monthly beauty subscription service. They have 3 different subscription tiers. They have the regular Glam Bag, which is what this is, and it is $12 a month for 5 deluxe sample size products, although they do throw in a full size every now and then of course it does come with a cosmetics bag as well. So it looks like they fit everything in the actual bag this time. So this is what the bag looks like, very summery, so very suitable for the month of May. I actually have my Glam Bag Plus right here, and I think the regular Glam Bag is like ever so slightly bigger. So that's interesting. I guess this one is just a little bit more decorative because it has the tassel. But that's interesting because usually, I don't know, well, at least I thought that the Glam Bag Plus was meant to be a little bit, like I thought they were supposed to go up in size because I know the Glam Bag Ultimate, which is their highest tier, is like usually huge, and so I thought that the Glam Bag Plus was meant to be a little bit bigger than the regular Glam Bag, but I guess they're not doing that anymore, or maybe they never were and it just happened that a few times that it was that way, but whatever. And the inside of the bag is yellow, which is again different than, less decorative I guess than the Glam Bag Plus, which has this like confetti on the inside. So let's see if we have a card. All right, and it looks like we got the same card that we got in the Glam Bag Plus, which is not a product information card. It is just highlighter 101, which a little bit bummed about that because I do like having the product info to be able to see, like just to read about the products. And I would understand if they were just doing away with the cards because they wanted to save paper and they were just having it, you know, available electronically. But I don't understand why they don't have a product card, but they'll do something like this. That just, I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me. So first product that we have is, oh my God, there's a fly. Okay, first product that we had is actually the product that I chose. You do get to choose one product that'll be in the bag every month, and it is the Estate Do Me Baked Estate Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. There's just the regular powder highlight. And see, even though I just got a whole palette of highlights in my Glam Bag Plus, I did not choose that. In fact, I didn't choose that product because I chose this for the regular Glam Bag and I ended up getting it anyway. So I'm going to be super glowy this summer, I guess. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is what it looks like in the pan. I'll do a little swatch on my finger and then on the back of my hand. It's very pretty. I think it's just a kind of basic basic gold highlighter, but I think that that'll be good for just kind of everyday use. Hopefully it goes, I don't know, I have highlight on my cheek as it is, so I don't know if I should be adding to it. Also, don't know if I should just be applying it so haphazardly with my finger, but I did it, and now we have to do this for the rest of the video, so cool. Okay, next I have this Purlisse. I think it's a pur or is it pure, because it has an accent and I don't know what the accent means. I say it Purlisse in my head, but it's probably wrong. Coconut oil and Plumeria Silky body butter. So soothes, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes for all skin types. So I'm guessing that this is just a lotion. Oh, it says body scrub, but it says silky body butter on the front and then body scrub on, oh, it's saying after you use it, after the body scrub. But also this is why product cards would be helpful, so I could look like less of a dumbass. I'm gonna try it out just to smell it. I don't think I'm smelling anything. Okay, there it is. It has a nice floral scent. It's kind of light. So I guess if you're not a huge fan of heavy fragrances, this would be a good product for you because it's there, but it's not too strong. So yep, that's all I have to say about that, I guess. And next is Benefit Roller Lash Black Mascara. And I don't think I've tried this. I've tried other mascaras from Benefit, but I don't think I've tried this before. So this is the little sample size, obviously. And this is what the wand looks like. Super curling and lifting mascara. So like I said, I've tried other Benefit mascaras and had pretty good luck, so hopefully I will have good luck with that one as well. And then we have what looks like an eyeliner. This is by Ciate London, Fierce Flicks. And it's a black tube. I'm trying to find where it says, I'm assuming that it's black. And I'm assuming that it's felt tip, but I don't want to open it because I have like 2 eyeliners that I'm using right now, so I don't want to open this and, I don't know, risk it drying out. I don't know if that's a thing, but I feel wasteful if I have a bunch of eyeliners open at the same time, but this is just what it looks like. I haven't used any, I don't think I've used eyeliner by Ciate London, so this will be a new product for me. I know some people complain about getting eyeliners in beauty subscription boxes, but I don't mind it just because I kind of do the same eyeliner look every day. This is basically what I do on a daily basis, so I could always use felt tip black eyeliner. That's like something that I'm always going to need every day, so I don't have a problem with getting more. And the last product that I have is by Marc True Professional, another brand I have not used. And this says 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter leave-in conditioner. Oh, so it's a hair product. I thought it was like a lotion or like a tanning lotion, which I was kind of like, 2 lotion products really, but that's kind of, that's a different look for, I don't know, maybe it's the colors. I just thought, and I saw coconut oil and I was like tanning, self-tanner, I don't know. But this says detangle and hydrate dry damaged hair into soft, smooth, and healthy looking hair with biotin, free from sulfates, SLS, parabens, phthalates. Can never say that word, but it's this one. Can you see that at the bottom? No? Okay. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I've mentioned before that I enjoy getting new hair products. So I don't know if this is gonna smell super coconutty because I don't really want to smell like I've been hanging out at the beach all day. Yeah, it does smell very, that's what the product looks like. And it is very, very strong coconut scent. But sometimes when you actually put it, I'm sorry, I'm like wiping, like getting all close to the camera. Sometimes when you use hair products in your hair at first, it's very fragrant, but then it kind of just, I don't know, fades out. So hopefully that's the case because I don't really know if I want my hair to smell super coconutty all the time. That's not one of my favorite smells to have on, but I like trying out new hair products, so we will see how this goes. So all in all, not a bad, probably not my favorite glam bag, but maybe that's just because I just opened up my Glam Bag Plus and that really hit it out of the park. I will have that video linked down below if you'd like, because that was a really awesome bag. And I feel like I've gotten better bags, but I feel like I've also gotten worse bags, so it's kind of in the middle. We'll definitely get use out of every product, I think, pending with the hair product on the smell. But other than that, it's things that I would at least use, so can't complain too much. There just isn't really anything like wow factor exciting for me, just being honest. But again, it's a $12 bag and the point is to try new products, so I could have something that I really like in here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy beauty subscription unboxings, please consider subscribing to my channel. I should have BoxyCharm on the way, so be on the lookout for that video. And if you've tried any of these products and you have opinions on them, feel free to comment down below. I would like to know. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hope you guys are staying safe and sane in these trying times, and I will hopefully see y'all in the next video.